When I work with a real estate agent and say, hey, your well-crafted story can get you more clients and more listings, and they're like, how? In 30 years of watching my parents, it's not if, but when there's going to be a hiccup. And so sometimes what we'll do is we'll find a story from high school or college of a time, has nothing to do with real estate, and some external reason created a hiccup, created a challenge. Because when they share that story, once we get to the end of the talk, then they can always end with, hey, you and I are going to do everything right. We're going to dot all the I's and cross all the T's, but I can't promise you that there's not going to be some turbulence in this transaction. But just like my story I told you beforehand, you want me in your foxhole because we're going to fix it and make it right at the end. And that's where it goes back to what the emotion of the story is.
Yes, and that's where they're going to develop that trust, and they know, okay, this guy's got my back, or this girl's got my back. That is so important. And I have actually shared that with real estate agents because I've had real estate agents in my mastermind, and I'm like, you're just posting pictures of houses. I see
it's so easy to stand out in that industry if you'll just lean in to let me know who you are.
Exactly, because and it's the same. Even I remember when I wrote my first book, there are a million trillion books out there.
Right.
People didn't buy my book because I'm holding a book up. They bought the book because they got to know me and my story, and we had a connection.